Rubik's Cube, part 4 out of 4. Emerald Emmett is here, but I got lucky and kind of, this happened. I have all 4 corners off. It's better. You should have 2 corner pieces that match up. Okay, so have it like this, but if the 2 corner pieces that match up are diagonal, then just repeat this sequence twice. I'm just moving the view so you guys can see better. Oh yeah, I might have missed it on camera, but just move the thing back. But then just move it like that twice. And then... But still, if you had diagonal corners, then you should just have to like this, and then just do that again. If you, okay, look out if it needs to go counterclockwise like mine. If it does, then and that should solve your cube. You need to go clockwise.
You guys clean your just unwrapped in. Sounds pretty cool.
Okay, what time are we doing eggs Thursday?
It's like a historic town.
Oh, cool.
Like a whole town that looks like it's from the 1800s.
Alright, but what time are we doing eggs Thursday?
Sure, whenever Dad's available. Why?
Because I don't know what time I get home.
And then that's how you solve the Rubik's Cube.
I work like every day.
Congrats. Emerald Emmett is out.